Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Take a moment to launch the program and ensure that it has fully loaded so you can work without interruption. This step is the foundation for editing your presentation, and it is important that the application has been started properly before moving forward. Once PowerPoint is open, locate and open your PowerPoint presentation, navigate to the file you intend to modify, and open it to display the slides on your screen. Having the correct presentation in front of you helps you focus on the exact content that requires the exponent formatting, whether it is part of a slide title, a text box, or another element within your presentation. With your presentation ready, identify the piece of text you wish to format as an exponent. Use your mouse or touchpad to highlight the specific word, number, or symbol that needs to be presented in exponent form. This precise selection is crucial as only the highlighted portion will be transformed to appear raised above the baseline. Taking care to highlight only what is necessary will help maintain clarity in your final presentation. After selecting the text you wish to modify, move your focus to the Home tab. This tab is located along the top of the PowerPoint window and houses many of the formatting tools you need. The Home tab is where you will find icons related to font formatting, alignment, and other presentation enhancements. Familiarizing yourself with this section can enhance your efficiency when working on various aspects of your slides. Within the Home tab, locate and click on the small font dialog icon. This icon, typically situated within the font group, is designed to open a window that provides additional options for text formatting that go beyond what is visible on the main toolbar. Clicking this icon will lead you to a more detailed set of configurations where you can fine-tune your text appearance. When the font dialog window appears, locate the option labeled Superscript. This option is what allows the highlighted text to be formatted as an exponent. Checking the box for superscript is essential because it instructs PowerPoint to display the selected text in raised, smaller characters. This visual adjustment is especially useful for representing mathematical exponents, chemical formulas, or any scenario where an exponent is required. After you have checked the box for superscript, confirm your formatting choice by clicking on the OK button. Doing so applies the changes, and you will now see that the selected text appears elevated, accurately representing the exponent formatting. This confirmation step ensures that your adjustments have been successfully implemented and that the visual style remains consistent with the overall design of your slide. Following these instructions will allow you to convert any portion of your text into an exponent within PowerPoint with ease. This method is efficient for creating professional and precise presentations, whether for academic, scientific, or business purposes. Enjoy the improved clarity and accuracy that exponent formatting brings to your slides.